Everyone, welcome to Imperial Garden Single Cup break number 1069 of 1314 Upper Deck the Cup. The last team that ended the break was the Edmonton Oilers on May 17th at 6:24 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And to our current date and time, click refresh again. It's currently Wednesday, May 18th at 12:24 a.m. Eastern Time. And for anybody that hasn't registered on our break page, or the did, you can register your account there. Scroll down, see everything was in the queue there. We are live on Breakers TV here when the video catches up. 1069. And these are boxes 3 of 3 from our case, so we don't have any serial numbers just because we listed a break before we open our case. So post cup break number 1067 below where we reference the box numbers. And box was 55 or 6575 with the hand number 3 there. Just go over the seals. Sealed. And sealed. Okay, so I'll show you serial number one more time and we'll get started. So it's the $6,575. So good luck, everybody. And appreciate it again, as always. Looks like I got brilliance in this one. Okay, so here we go. So we started off with a Matt Duchene base card, 249 for the Avalanche. Our next one is a 3-color auto rookie patch of Emerson Edom, 23, 249 for the Anaheim Ducks. 3 colors, 4 breaks, or 1, 2, 4 breaks, excuse me there. And our next one is a signature patches going out to the Colorado Avalanche of Nathan McKinnon. Signature patch number 299. So whoever has the Avalanche, just let me know if you want me to eBay message you the code or possibly get tracking on it. I think these cards should be live now. So nice hit there for Colorado. And our next one is a brilliant autograph of Marty Turco for the Dallas Stars. Marty Turco. And we got a autograph rookie of Eric Jelena, 206, 249 for the Devils. And finishing up the break with a 3-color auto rookie patch of Drew Shore, 232 of 249 for the Panthers. So there we have it for our break for tonight, guys. So we got new first box out of a new 3-box case tomorrow. Triple game use and double contours.